In the slides that follow this one, you will be seeing samples of image comparisons and image processing. It all begins with image analysis. Images are captured digitally, they're analyzed for detail and quality, and then they're compared against a known object. The samples that you're about to see are all from cases that I've worked on that use digital imaging technologies. In our first example, you see a victim who has an impression in their skin. This is digitally captured and enhanced, and then the letters CK appear very clearly. That's then matched against a belt that was recovered. The belt has raised letters CK, which are then compared to the digitally enhanced image. In this example, we are able to identify the two different color inks that are used in this check. We're able to drop out one color, revealing the other color. The same is applied to the can below. In this sample, we have a shirt that was recovered from a crime scene. There appears to be an impression on the shirt about 12 inches down from the neckline. It was photographed using an infrared filter. That image was then converted to grayscale and enhanced. The dot pattern is removed, and the grayscale image is then compared against a known weapon. The victim in this image has tire tread marks across her shoulder. That area is then enhanced. The suspect's vehicle is recovered, the tires are photographed, and a comparison is done between the tread design on the tire and the tread design on the victim. One of the unique things about digital imaging is that you can address certain colors within an image, change those colors, like the Pepsi can, and then remove that color. You notice in the Pepsi can we've taken the blue, changed it to red, and then drop out the red to reveal a black and white fingerprint. The same is applied to this fingerprint with a blue pattern background. The images are split to show you the before and after results. In this case, we have a video camera that captured a robbery, an armed robbery actually, at a convenience store. You could see the suspect entering the store holding a handgun. In the lower right-hand corner, you can see the enhanced version of the image of the suspect on the right-hand side, and the suspect on the left-hand side is not enhanced. They both were wearing the same type of stocking mask. The enhanced version shows more detail in the face. The following article appeared in Evidence Technology magazine in the August of 2003 edition. It details the case of Victor Reyes versus the state of Florida, which was a murder case revolving around the digitally enhanced fingerprint. As a result of this digital enhancement, Norline returned a palm print that was identifiable to the known prints of the suspect, Victor Reyes. At the end of the Fry hearing, the judge stated that the prosecution's expert witnesses had demonstrated that the process of digital enhancement does not change the basic image, and that the process of digital image enhancement of fingerprints is used and accepted throughout the forensic community. One of the services that Digital Imaging Incorporated provides is the review of SOPs, or Standard Operational Procedures, and also the review of image enhancement histories. This allows us to review the process established by the agency and ensure that the individual who performed the procedures followed those specific rules. Another very unique service that is offered by Forensic Digital Imaging is 360-degree images, either interiors or 360-degree images of objects. This allows the viewer to look inside a crime scene or a vehicle or even an outdoor scene in a 360-degree view. Also, objects can be placed on a turntable and photographed in a 360-degree view, allowing the viewer to see all the way around the object. One of the most rewarding and yet most difficult jobs that I had in my forensic career is the work that I did in Iraq as the imaging systems manager for the mass graves investigation team. I designed a complete forensic image management solution that included hardware, software, training, and implementation of procedures to make sure that the images that we captured that were ultimately used to prosecute Saddam Hussein and the rest of his regime would be secured within the database and be able to be used in trial. During my career in law enforcement, I was asked to provide training, lectures, and consulting to the following agencies and organizations: